In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company OneDrive profile to your personal computer. This process should take about 5 minutes and it will allow you seamless access to both your work and personal files right from your desktop. To start, ensure that you are logged into your Microsoft account. This is key because without logging in, you won't be able to proceed with adding your company profile to OneDrive. If you aren't logged in yet, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft account login page. Once you've logged into your account, let's focus on the OneDrive icon located on your taskbar. It usually looks like a little cloud. Go ahead and click on it. This icon will give you access to the OneDrive settings, which is where we'll be spending some time configuring the details for your company profile. After you've opened the OneDrive menu from the taskbar, you'll see a small gear icon representing the settings menu. Click on this settings icon. Now you are in the settings main menu. From here, we want to click on the settings option again. This might seem a bit repetitive, but this step actually takes you to a more detailed settings page. Now that you're in the full settings menu, shift your focus over to the account tab. This tab is crucial because it provides a list of all the accounts that have been linked to OneDrive on your computer. Here's where you'll have the opportunity to add a new account. So let's go ahead and click add an account. It's typically a straightforward process, but certainly a critical step in adding your company OneDrive to your device. Clicking this will open a new window, prompting you to sign in to your company's OneDrive profile. Enter the credentials for your company account. This ensures that only you or authorized individuals are capable of adding the account to your personal computer. Once logged into your company OneDrive profile, a setup wizard will guide you through the final stages of the setup process. Just follow these on-screen prompts and you'll be directed through any permission requests or options you need to acknowledge to finalize the integration. And there you have it. If you followed along, you should now see your company OneDrive profile successfully added under your list of accounts, giving you easy access to your work files directly from your personal computer. By combining these simple steps, you can effortlessly manage both personal and professional digital spaces, keeping everything just a click away. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy organizing,